Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the upgrade part 3 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Before we start, here is the list of items you need to collect for this mission. You will need 1 Bitcoin, 2 gold books, 2 gold phones, and 1 gold pod. First, we need to get a Bitcoin. Bitcoin usually spawns randomly in different places on the map, especially inside the news station room. But if this is your first time, there is a much easier way to get it. You can just go to the mini vault area, talk to the NPC there, and buy a Bitcoin for $100k. After buying the Bitcoin, you must save it safely. Go back to your house, buy some storage space, and keep your Bitcoin inside so you do not lose it. Next, get a C4 bomb and go to the nearby PR pod store, which is right next to the bank. Use your C4 to blow open the front door and go inside. You will see a lot of electronic items there. Look for the other items on our list, like the gold books, gold phones, and gold pods. Collect them and keep bringing them back to your house to store them. Keep collecting until you have every single item from the list inside your storage. Once you have everything, take all the items out and go to the buyer. Sell all of them at the exact same time. Make sure to check carefully that everything sells properly. As soon as you sell the items, your mission will be complete and you will get your reward immediately. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.